Has your search engine suddenly switched to Yahoo without you doing anything? It's frustrating, right? Let me explain why this happens and how you can fix it. What's causing this? This usually happens because of something called a browser hijacker. It's a type of malware that changes your browser settings without asking. But it's not always malware. Sometimes, it's an extension you installed, different browser profiles with mixed-up settings, or even a software update that resets your browser. Is it McAfee or antivirus program? Some antivirus programs, like McAfee, might change your search engine to Yahoo. It's not malware, it's just part of their settings. If you're using such software, check the settings and turn off anything you don't want. How can you tell it's a browser hijacker? Here are some signs to look out for. Your search engine keeps changing. Weird pop-up ads appear. Your browser feels slower than usual. Sometimes it's sneaky and doesn't show any obvious signs. How to fix it? Here's what you need to do. Use a trusted antivirus program to scan and remove any malware. Reset your browser to default settings. Check your extensions and remove anything you don't recognize. Go to your search engine settings and delete anything unfamiliar or suspicious. How to prevent it in the future? Here's how to stop this from happening again. Keep your browser and computer updated. Use a good antivirus program and run regular scans. Be careful when downloading files or clicking on ads. Check your browser extensions every once in a while to keep things clean. And that's it. Now you know why this happens, how to fix it, and how to stop it from happening again.